Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Jupley, and I'm talking about how I'm amazing and how I fixed an account which was suspended. Actually, the account wasn't suspended, the ads were being disapproved for compromised site, which can lead to a circumventing systems policy suspension. So the client reached out to us and said, look, our website, Scout and Nimble, isn't advertising and they don't know why. So this is a real Google account. I'm going to press refresh so you can see it. And basically what happened, Google's running really slow, is I called Google today. The phone call is in the YouTube channel, and they told me that that when I called them, I asked them to scan the website, and Google said, "Yep, there's a bad link." And I'm like, "Okay, well, can you send it to their wider team?" And they responded back saying, "Here's the email. Let me get the email back." So this is the email, and basically, it was great having a conversation. The ads either violated the policy or was incorrectly reviewed. It has been addressed, and your ads are now approved to run, and they confirm the URL. So all I have to do now is I just have to change the ad to get it resubmitted. So I just literally change it. So I just do a quick test. This resubmits it to the database, and it can take 24 hours. So all I have to do now is wait, um, and it should basically be approved. So um, you can see the ad group ID number 1560321700764. That's the ID number assigned to this ad group. So hopefully, and I think I press refresh just to prove this isn't some kind of like coded website. This is really Google. Yeah, I did press it. So all I have to do is now wait for a bit, and yeah, the ads will run. I'll update the video. This is old, so I'm not. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to update. So once it updates, I'll do a new video. But as you can see, we got it. So I'm pleased about that. So give it some time and the ad will run. All right, guys, I hope you had fun. But yeah, if you have a compromised site or malicious software, I can fix that all day, every day. Visit Jupplee, Jupplee.com. Happy to help you all. Take care.